Hey guys, I just wanted to explain to you a little bit about page 11, this Phet lab. Sorry I couldn't be here in person, but please just pay attention to this whole lab. Read every bit of it. I only have a couple of changes I want to make, but let me first of all say, make sure you Google this exact thing, right? And make sure, Google this exact thing. Google Phet Circuit Construction Kit DC, and then click on this search result that says Circuit Construction DC Phet. All right, so let me do that for you real quick. So we go Phet space Circuit Construction Kit DC. Put a space in there. I think the space will help you. Phet Circuit Construction Kit DC. And then you're going to look for the one that says Circuit Construction Kit DC Phet. This one right here. You'll click on that and you will come to this screen. You'll want to click on the intro. Make sure you click on the intro, not the lab, right? So let me explain one other thing to you after this. Actually, a couple other things. First of all, when you measure the voltage like this, again, I want to say read everything. Just read it. It'll tell you how to do it. When you measure this voltage, you're going to place these leads across whatever it's telling you to put them across. If you switch the leads, it might give you a negative number for the voltage. Just make sure that the voltage is positive. So I'm going to write, and you should write, positive voltage. Make sure that if it gives you a negative number, just get rid of the negative. Don't write the negative. All these numbers should be positive today. And if it bothers you, all you have to do is switch the leads, put them on opposite sides of each other, and it'll give you a positive number. Second of all, I want you to, on number 3, if you do what I told you to do, there's parts of number 3 that are not going to make sense to you because they've changed that activity since I wrote this. So I want you to cross out this. Right? You are going to grab the ammeter from the right side, but this will be irrelevant now. And this picture is not going to look like what you're going to see. So cross all that out and let me show you what is going to happen. What's basically happening here is you're recording the current. I'm going to show you how to do the current. It's not like this. It's real easy. It's actually much easier. Watch. So if I just build my circuit like it says on that first one, right? Put that puppy in. Doesn't matter what the circuit looks like as long as it's complete, bulb lights up, right? So this is what I was talking about with the voltmeter. Put that across there, put the leads across there. You might get a negative number. All you got to do is just switch the leads and then that'll give you a positive number, right? So that's the voltmeter. I'm going to put it back. This is the ammeter. This is what I was talking about with number 3. You drag it out, it's going to measure the current for you. Number 3 originally said to disconnect these wires, right? You do not need to do that. That's the other style ammeter that we did. All you got to do is take these crosshairs, place them anywhere. For a series circuit, you place them anywhere in the circuit, doesn't matter, and it's going to give you the current 9 amps, right? In this case, or 0.9 amps. So that's how you operate the ammeter. That's how you measure the current. Last couple of things. You are going to do this. You're going to replace it with a coin. When you put the coin in there, yes, the coin is going to light on fire. That is okay. You're doing the right thing. It's supposed to, because a coin it's made of metal, that's low resistance, and it's got high current. Make sure you read this note about that. Okay, make sure you read that. Lastly, when we've been doing circuits, what we've been doing is you had the resistances and then we calculated this other stuff. This lab does it backwards. You're going to measure all of these things and then you're going to calculate the resistances. In order to calculate the resistance, you're going to use this formula right here. It's Ohm's law. It's Ohm's law. Ohm's law for current was I equals V over R, but to do resistance, it's V over I. So to calculate resistance, you're going to do voltage divided by current across each row, right? Again, I just want to reiterate, read everything. Read it, go in order, it'll tell you exactly what to do. There's 2 pages. The first page is basically getting you used to kind of how to work with this program, how to measure voltage and current, how to work with the devices, and then if you turn to page 12, page 12 has you do some other activities here. Again, read and do what it says. Go step by step by step, and make sure to answer the questions at the end. When you get through, please turn it in.